and I'm going to publish it to the internet now, and that way we can work on it in the future. I'd like to make this a little bit better, but I just don't want to make videos about it specifically right now. So let's exit out of our, well, we don't need to exit out of our REPL. We can go back to our initial thing, and we can go git status. You'll see there is no git repository in here. And now I'm going to use GitHub to push this to the internet. So I'm going to go to github.com, and I'm going to go to my portfolio. And here I'm going to go add, and I'm going to create a new repository. And this one is going to be called the self-assessment this guy. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to call it PAST self-assessment countdown. And create the new repository. So again, I'm just on GitHub. I've already logged in. I clicked the plus button, and now what I want to do is I want to push an existing repository. And so I can't go git remote add right now because it's not a git repository. So I have to say git init, initialize the git repository, and then I'll go git remote add, copy this, push that in there. And now that I've added it, git status. Basically, I haven't added anything, so I don't think I can go git push origin master. Yeah, because there's nothing there. So I have to say git add, git commit, add a functional countdown timer with data for Air Force PAST. So then I go git push, and then it says, oh, you have to set where you want to do. I want to push to upstream master. And there we go. Now if I refresh this page, it should be here. Cool. So now that it's here, I can go to settings and scroll down to the bottom where it says GitHub pages, and it says it's currently disabled. I want to enable it on the master branch. And now that automatically refreshes. It bounced me to the bottom of the page, and your site is ready to be published at this guy. So if I click here and I open it, it's normal. This actually takes a few minutes to set up, so we'll just wait for a minute. I'm going to copy this link address. I'm going to come back to here. I'm in the folder where this one is, so I'm going to go git touch, and then I want to add a readme folder here. Oh, no, just touch. And then I'm going to open it, the readme, and in here I'm going to say this is a project in the works. No, I'm just going to say you can see this project live here. And because I think it looks cool, I'm going to go PAST self-assessment countdown timer. And with GitHub, you can just add your, this is how you add links to GitHub Markdown. And we'll make this one a little bit smaller than the one above. If I save this, git status, git add, git commit, add the link to the live project to the readme. And now I get push that. And now if we go to the self-assessment portion, you'll see that there's the readmes here, and then there's a link here. So if I click this link, it takes me to the project, and we can start training. So yeah, this is just the first day's work on this. This is the kind of thing that I get excited to do projects sometimes, because I'm planning on doing this exercise as much as I can in the next few months. And so this is a beginning to it. My mind's kind of melted right now. I've been doing it for a while, so I'm just going to take a break for the rest of the day. But as you can see, this could actually be used. It's mobile responsive, so if you were to open your mobile device and say you had an iPad, you know, it would actually work pretty well on an iPad, because it would tell you exactly where you were and how much time you have. It's still not working, obviously, so I would encourage anybody who's seen this and they're not programmers to actually give it a test and visit the site, because there's a good chance I'm going to make this better in the future. And if anybody wants to help me with some open source projects, then this is an opportunity. Yeah, here we have it locally, here we have it on the internet. This is an opportunity to jump in and create a pull request. But that's pretty much it for today. We've got this thing live. It's not perfect, but it is functional. And that's going to have to be good enough for now because the sun's going down. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there's a chance that there will be another part of me updating it. So that's why I'll leave it out with a continued on part whatever, because there's a good chance I'll get back after making this thing work properly. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.